Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntoff. Today I am at the Raiders headquarters. It is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. So I am in the, well, this would be the southwest corner behind the building. I'm by the lion habitat. Wanted to stop here so we could get a good view of the sign they're finishing up on the back of the building. So remember, they started like the middle and working their way out, so you can see the healthcare and center. So this front part will say Intermountain, and then the bottom will be Performance, because the sponsor is Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center. So you can see they got a lot of it done, but there's nobody working on it at this moment. Because this one they use that sky lift. You can see the tops of it sticking up. There's actually a person over there. So they might be going up soon. I didn't see them do it, but I think they put the letters on the lift and bring it up with them that way. Because as you can see, there's no crane around to... There's no crane there unless they, I don't think they drop it from the top, because that's where the skylift is hooked up to. Those, you can see them arms like sticking out. So that's my theory. We'll keep an eye out when I go to the side to show the field area. They might be working on it then. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning right now. So there's a lot of people there. You can see all the construction crew parks behind the place now. And then you can see the grass up there also. So this grass we're seeing here, I don't think this is the actual field part. This is the part that's behind that hill. I'll pan over, we should be able to see it. So see, there's that hill that's there. And then you can see some of the field, or not really, you can't see it now behind there. And then from here we can see they're almost done with putting these white stripes between the different color panels. And then that side will pretty much be completed. When I was here last time, the translucent glass they're putting between the white stripe there, they only had one piece left that was going right against the front of the field house. So it's moving along good. And you can see them doing the sprinklers, getting that grass ready. Less than 30 days to go, or really 25 days left to go till this is supposed to be officially completed and turned over to the Raiders. And I don't know what this structure over here is. They're going to enclose something over there. You can see the heat coming up off the ground. Right now it's probably like 85 degrees out here. Okay, we're gonna go around to the other, get closer to the building, get some shots. Most of the action the other day was the front. They're getting all that landscaping in and getting the curbing in, and see if they start blacktopping the parking lot yet. Alright, I am now on the north side. We can see they got this sign completely installed besides the Raiders shield. So it looks good. That's a big name. Takes up a lot of the side of that building, but it looks good. Alright. So no shield there yet, and then the front again, no shield installed. So these guys are putting the panels on. This was like one of the last parts of that orange waterproofing. Now we can see they're getting the panels put on. And if I'm not mistaken, that should already be the panels. That's like the protective coating over top of it. So I would think they just peel that off. Then if we look at the top, see the white material there, so they covered the, like what was on the roof, just to block anything. They did that over the training area on the other side of the building, and these weren't on the last time I came out, so you can see that. And if you look at the main office building, you'll see like the white strobe lights going every so often. Not sure how well it's picking it up on here. So they must be testing like the fire system or the warning system. I don't know how, if I could find this on the viewfinder, but it's so small I can't tell. Can't see them. In and down the side of this building, everything looks the same. They have the few palm trees going in down here. And then they're going to probably enclose this. You can see the pilot stars. Alright, we're going to walk over to the corner over here as close as we can walk. Check out what they're doing. Still can see all of the palm trees and stuff, but I don't know if they did anything else. So let's go see. Alright, this would be the northeast corner. You can see the guys here still working on the panel area. We swing over, we look at the front. Last time I was here, they were working on this area up here, so they got all the black panels in up here. And on the renderings, oh, they forgot one little corner, but on the renderings it shows Las Vegas Raiders goes in that area right there. To see more of the trees that are put in. And right behind this piece of equipment, that's where the torch is going to be. So we're going to walk down by that black fence there. That's as close as we can get in the front. Let's see if that changed any. Waiting for them shield logos to get put up. Seems weird they put the back one right away and then these other ones they're not doing yet. Alright, I'm on Executive Airport Drive, soon to be Raiders Way. So this is right on the corner of the entrance. So it would be the northeast corner. So this will be, well, this is like a side entrance. The main drive is right over there. You can see that orange barrier. That's the main entrance where you'll come in, and it has like the turnabout that'll go under the porte cochere here. And then the main entrance. Main entrance will be these, you can see they're still outlined in the orange, waterproofing. So those are the main doors going in. And when you walk in that way, they got a double staircase going up on each side. So hopefully one day the public will be able to go in and watch some of the practices. Alright, and then you can see all these. They were working on this last time I was here. They were putting the toppers on all these. And you can see they got all the toppers on these, on the bricks, on the block walls. Well, they got everything except one little spot right there where that bucket is. Everything else is done. And then the way it looks right now, so you can see they're starting to put the trees along the front, right along Raider Way. So it looks like they're gonna get it ready for sidewalks and get the trees in down here along the main road. It's looking good. All right, I'm now on the south side. So everything over here is looking pretty good. You can see they got this loader over here working on something on the outside of the property. Alright, then from here, it is an optical illusion. It looks like the field's like at an angle. But when you look at it from different areas, it's flat. Lifting some kind of stuff up to the roof area. They got this crane again. And then if we pan over, so you can see there's a door there. So that's the front edge of the field house, and then they were missing one or two of these last translucent windows, so they got all them put in. And then in the renderings, the swimming pool is going to be in that area there where that lift is on that white truck. So they will have the pool. Alright, I'm going to show, I can see a little bit of the back side where they're putting up the letters. So still nobody's working on it. So you can see that there, and then, you know, guaranteed they're gonna put some on the front also next to this shield. It should be in all that silver area. Okay, I'm gonna show the stadium from here again. So this is zoomed all the way back. And then I'll zoom out to the strip. And we're still waiting to hear. There's no official opening date yet for any of the hotels. But they were showing a lot of the gaming requirements. They're gonna have to reduce like the blackjack tables to only 3 players per table. I think roulette was, I think it was 4. So they're like gonna change a lot of stuff. I'm over here talking, I passed the stadium. So there's the stadium. A lot of radiant heat coming up, so if I zoom in too far, it's all you see is the, you can see it, just the waves of heat there. Okay, so that's 12 or so miles away. Zoom out. Alright, I'm gonna go to the front where I normally end. That way we could get a view of, they're doing the trees, landscaping and stuff in the front. Alright, I'm on the southwest corner. So you can see them, they're planting these trees on the outside of the block walls they put up along the main road. This guy over here is working up on this pillar. And then they were putting trees and stuff in over here. So this is the side entrance. I was told in the comments that this would be the way the players would come in. That way they could get to the other entrance. So it looks pretty good. And then you can see the field down there. So again, if you look at the field from this way, look at that back edge, like where the dirt is, you can see it's pretty level. So it's just optical illusion, because I don't think they could be practicing on an incline. So and they still have these construction offices out here. I'm not sure when those will be removed. It's got to be sooner than later. And if we look up at the top here, they're finishing up this back corner also. Right here where the man lift is. So let's see, it looks like they're putting like this top edge. And then they are working on stuff on the roof over here. For all we know, they might be lifting letters up there too. I know they're gonna have to start putting up the letters in this area, because the Intermountain Healthcare Performance Center should be going right on this side also. Of course, we can't see what they're working on. Okay, Raider Nation, so that's all we got. Just got more of the lettering going up on the back. The one on the north side is fully installed. And then they still got to put the shield logos and then the words on this side, the south side. So if you're not subscribed and you want to keep getting the updates, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. And everybody stay safe, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.